The number one way to skyrocket your home value is by mowing the lawn. Come on, Nick, let's get serious around here. When you decide to sell your home, you automatically begin to think of that ginormous list of maintenance items that should get some attention. And, well, this can get quite overwhelming. So allow me to highlight some home value difference makers to help you sell your home for the most while spending less. One of the simplest but most cost-effective ways to add value to your home. Freshly painted rooms, make them look clean and updated. That spells value. If your kitchen cabinets are still in decent condition and you want to brighten up your kitchen, consider giving them a fresh coat of paint. On the exterior of your home, you would be surprised what a new coat of paint would do on your front entrance or garage door in terms of the street appeal. Neutral colors are attractive to the largest amounts of people, so keep that in mind when you're at the paint store. In terms of fixtures, it's all about the touch points and how things feel. New faucets, doorknobs. There's nothing worse than going through a home with a client and they try one of the doors and the doorknob comes completely off. Yeah, it's kind of like, well, I didn't do it. Does it look like I have a spare doorknob in my pocket? Ultimately, you want potential buyers to feel a sense of pride in the current ownership so they can feel confident in their home purchase.
What's wrong with being confident?
You wouldn't try and sell your car that's all full of dust and mud, would you? Well, I think the same should go for your house as well. Give your home a bath. Simply take out a pressure washer, clean off your siding, windows, soffit, and fascia. Everything looks better once it's cleaned. And if you don't have a pressure washer, I'm sure you can find a company around town that can come by and help you out. So I made a joke earlier about mowing the lawn, but in all seriousness, you should do some lawn care and maybe some landscaping maintenance. And while you have the pressure washer out, go ahead, spray down the driveway and sidewalk. Trim the overgrown hedges or trees that might be obstructing the walkway to your door, and add some new house numbers as well, because this will show the buyers that you pay attention to details. If you're curious what your home is valued in today's market, feel free to contact me on any platform. I'd be happy to chat. Otherwise, you can check out this video up here on more tips to sell your home for the highest amount. Thanks so much for watching.